Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. And today I'll be teaching you on how you can add tags to your store on Wix. So first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go to your website. And now that you're here on your dashboard, at the left side, you'll be able to see your settings. So all you have to do is to click on the settings. Then once you're on your settings, all you need to do is to click on the invoices and codes. Okay, and then when you scroll down, you'd be able to see here taxes. So you just have to click on the add new tax to create a list of taxes that you can apply to any invoice or codes from the line item. And once you click the add new tax, you'll be able to see this page. You just have to type out the tax name and then the rate of the tax. So say for example, I'm just going to type out koi koi and then right here, maybe 15%. And then you just have to save it. And as you can see, you've got the list of the taxes in your store. So if you want to add new tax, you just have to click on the add new tax, then input your name and then the rate of the tax. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.